Survivor hero token. So, what are we using? Let's look. Darkstorm. Nova. 3 Sentry. 4 Overseers. And Nick. Let's go take it. Come in over there. I've done it all kinds of ways. I think this works best for me. You figure out what works for you. You got to do it one time. Okay, when we come in, we're going to come in, but he's going to shoot immediately, so you got to be careful. So we just move out of the range of him, and then wait. These guys are coming. We want to put them on. No, that's not what I want to do. I wanted to put them on hold. All right, so we got to kill this guy. It takes a little bit. Now let's put them on hold. Get rid of him. All right, we'll send the Nick over here. There's a couple things that will do damage to you, so we got to be careful of how we deal with them. One of them, the rails. The rails will get you. So long as you shoot the right place from the right angle, the rails shouldn't do you any damage. You mess up, and you get the joy of doing repairs. You're just softening it up. Okay, now what we want to do. One of the tricky things is we got to kill him, but you can't get too close. So what we do is when the little soldiers, yeah, here they come. As soon as my fires, you see they fired? As soon as they fire, they will draw the weapon of him, kill him, and get back. That way you'll minimize damage. So as soon as the overseers shoot, you can kill him because he will attack that. You'll get a little bit of damage, but that'll minimize the damage. We shouldn't get much damage. Screw up, and you do. Just that simple. And now we're just going to pick the base apart a little bit. All right, now we got to come over here, do a little bit of damage. You'll take him out. All right, now it's starting to come, so let's bring all of our guys over here. The rest of the units are basically just for protection. I don't attack with them. I only attack with the Nick. All right, let's go down here and take out the power plant, which will do some significant damage. Get back before. All right. Now we're just going to go over here. They're just providing protection for the Nick. When anything attacks, they kill it so that the Nick can go on aggression. Just take your time, pick the base apart, get these guys into their position, and let's put them on hold. We don't need them anymore. They'll take out the Roland. All right, let's clean out these pieces here. You'll notice where I shoot is very important. One goal. Minimize damage. Shoot this rail. If you kill his support, the rail will... Okay. Every other time the rail went down. And so what happens? I make a video and it doesn't. But we're going to shoot right here and this should get him. Hopefully we'll get minimal damage. Go ahead and make a video and then it doesn't work. Boom, the rail's gone. Okay. Now, yeah. We'll go right down here. You shoot right there, and it'll kill the two of them. But you got to watch out because those dogs will eat the life out of your... Okay. All right, that's good enough. Let's go over here. All right, We got a little bit more damage than normally do, but that's all right. That's not much. All right. While these guys are getting into position, I'm going to fire 2 missiles. This tower is full of sharpshooters. You can kill it with a nick. You can do all kinds of stuff. I've done things, but you get a lot of damage. I've just decided, you know what? I'm going to give it a bullseye. And then there's another one right here. He gets a bullseye. Those two get bullseyes because they tend to do a lot of damage. I don't want the damage. It's real easy to build a bullseye. But all the sharpshooters are out now. When they're in the tower, they get extra range and they do a lot of damage. So after doing this 30 or 40 times, I decided, you know what? I'm not going to do that. Put them on hold and attack with a nick. Okay, he's gone, so we will kill him. All right, let's come down here. Clean out down here. Where you shoot is utterly important. That way they don't fire back at you. If you can do it better, by all means do so. I just know this works for me. I got a little bit more damage than I normally do, but as you can see, take your time and you'll end up getting hero tokens. We're getting into position to finish this base. Get you guys right there. Provide all the protection we need. Get rid of them. All right, now let's start taking stuff out. Here they come. Where you shoot is utterly important so that you don't get damage. Take out the rail, don't get too close. If you shoot the right spot, here they come, time to kill them. And that's it. You won. So you'll get Skip Pack, Max, and Weaver. And guess what? I never use these guys. I don't know why I'm doing these bases, but I did it. That's just me. I'm a knucklehead. All right, let's see how much damage we got. We won't get a lot, but we'll get a little bit. 38 seconds. We're on our way home. How much time we got? Oh, we got lots of time. I'll show you how much damage we got. All right, let's get in here. Loading the base. Kixeye is slow as molasses. All right. Got a few tunes here. Ready to go. Technicals. All right. Oh, 4 minutes and 25 seconds. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Oh, look. We're already repaired. That's it. That was enough.